In this series, we're gonna be trying out viral products or gadgets to see if you can use them on your keto lifestyle. So spring is here, summer is quickly approaching, and on this channel, we have done a lot of ice cream hacks in the past. And so we saw this gadget on TikTok and I just had to buy it. It's called Frozen Magic. This apparently went viral in 2022, but I am just seeing it now in 2024. Hundreds of people have been posting about this, and this is a slushy cup that has some kind of thing in the middle that freezes whatever you put in it. It says freeze, squeeze, and enjoy. We actually got the 2-pack of this because we're gonna be trying 2 different types of slushies or ices. One of them is going to be kind of like a citrusy one. The other one is going to be a more creamy and milky version because we're wondering if it's gonna work. We'll leave it linked in the description below. But first, we're gonna talk about the sponsor of this video, Element. Element is a delicious electrolyte drink mix with everything that you need and nothing that you don't. That means lots of salt and no sugar. Element contains a science-backed electrolyte ratio of 1,000 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium, and 60 milligrams of magnesium. Sarah and I drink Element every single day because we love the way it tastes and it helps us on our keto lifestyle. That's because when you go into ketosis, you shed a lot of water, and inside that water are your electrolytes. This can leave you feeling tired, having muscle cramps, or nausea, also known as the keto flu. Element replenishes your electrolytes so that you feel better. Sarah and I love all of the flavors of Element, but our absolute favorites are the citrus salt and the grapefruit salt. Get your free Element sample pack with any drink mix purchase at drinkelement.com/ketotwins. And if you're an Element insider, you get first access to Element Sparkling. It's a bold 16-ounce can of sparkling electrolyte water. So why did we buy this thing? It looks cool, first of all. Secondly, we're still trying to avoid buying a Ninja Creami. I know a lot of you guys are peer pressuring us to buy the Ninja Creami, and we still have not. This is all the room that we have, and guess what? No more room for mixers, hand mixers, doodads. Alex is already, Sarah's husband, already going crazy with the amount of stuff that we actually have. So we're buying this for now, and we're gonna test it out. We also have the Dash mini ice cream maker. We actually used it to make a Wendy's strawberry white chocolate frosty a little while ago. Really good. So we're gonna be making 2 different kind of slushies today. The first one is going to be with a product that we use every single day, who's also the sponsor of this video, Element. We love Element, and we've never actually tried to make popsicles out of it, and I know that you can, so I thought, why not make an Element slushie? Great way to get your electrolytes, great for summer. I'm sold. Another thing that we thought is kind of trending right now is making like protein ice cream, keto-friendly ice cream, low-carb ice cream out of protein drinks and a touch of sugar-free instant pudding. We used something similar recently in a video where we made that Wendy's Frosty, and there was something about adding just a touch of gelatin with the flavor mixed with the protein shake that really turned it into a creamy, rich ice cream. It was great. And we figured you can't have banana on keto, but real banana. So why not try a little bit of this? I know it's dirty, but you know what? There are cleaner versions of this that you can buy if you're into that type of thing, where it's going to help you transform a protein drink into an ice cream base. All right, wanna do the Element one first, or Element in the green cup? Sure. So we're just gonna go with 1 packet with about 12 ounces of water. Some of you guys might think that's too strong, but that's the way I drink it. Shocker.
You gotta see what your tolerance is,
because it is quite salty. Place your frozen Magic squeeze cup into the freezer until frozen.
We did that.
Pour your favorite chilled drink.
Did that.
Put on the lid and squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. In just minutes, you'll have a delicious frozen treat. Okay, I don't know, half or?
Let's try that much, yeah, okay.
Ooh, I did spill any.
Yeah, right. And start squeezing. It said like what, 1 minute? For
I have no idea.
I think it says it on the paper. Keep squeezing.
In just minutes.
Okay.
There's something about salty things not freezing. Isn't that chemistry?
That is true. Oh, wait, hold on. Something's happening. I see it. Hold on. Okay, it's been like what? Not even that long.
Not even like 30 seconds?
Yeah, keep going.
It's working.
Uh-oh, the dog.
Can you squeeze it?
Okay.
I think it's...
Oh, okay.
Ooh,
I think we want it to be pretty frozen, right? Like slushy consistency?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I don't want any liquid remaining. I think I want it to be pure slushy.
It's pretty frozen. Look.
All right, we're gonna try the Element flavor. This is citrus salt, one of our favorites. Just classic. It's like the OG flavor that we tried back in 2020. It's icy, looks good, just like a slushie. Ready? This would be perfect on the beach, honestly. Keep this in the cooler. Throw some Element in there, and you have like a slushie in like what, 3 minutes, 4 minutes?
Not even. There are people that are surprised that Chicago has beaches. It's a thing.
Yeah.
Chicago has beautiful beaches. It's just that they're really busy a lot of the time.
Yeah. No, I'm super surprised. It worked really well. I think grapefruit salt also would be really good. All of the flavors, really.
The question is though, this is just Element and water, but is it gonna work the same for a creamy consistency? It might be bad.
Why?
I don't know.
I hope not. Okay, does it say something about storing it afterward? Like how long it stays cold or something? I think it says it in there.
Add ice cream, can keep 3 hours, don't melt.
So you have about 3 hour eating limit time.
All right, next up we have the Core Power Vanilla Complete Protein Shake. This has 6 carbs and then 1 dietary fiber. It's 5 net carbs per shake, but I honestly don't even think that you're gonna be able to put that much of this in there.
Yeah.
Because that cup, it was only about halfway full. So I'm thinking maybe, okay, so 1 cup of the Core Power Vanilla Complete Protein Shake and then maybe like a teaspoon. We're just gonna like eyeball it because that's what we do on our channel. And then I am going to be mixing it together before we pour it into this. So
1 cup.
Teaspoon? How about this?
I should have gotten the chocolate
about this?
shake. That probably would have been better.
How about this?
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
It's a heaping teaspoon. Is that a teaspoon? Is that? I think it's
Yeah.
bigger than a
No.
teaspoon.
Whatever.
Make sure it's mixed.
Ooh, it immediately smells like banana. It's kind of hard to like.
Yeah, get it mixed. It's okay. Strawberry vanilla would have been good too.
Can we try a different flavor combination on this channel? I mean,
I like what I
there's
like.
I know. Yeah, everybody knows. I'm like, what should we make? What kind of dessert? Strawberry and vanilla. It's like, that's the only dessert combo that we make.
No, I mean, there are, you know, not many fruits on keto except for blueberries, strawberries, and what, blackberries or something?
2 teaspoons of the Jell-O pudding mix and 1 cup of the protein powder. In she goes. Okay.
I think it shrinks significantly. Just do it slowly because it does shrink significantly when it starts to freeze. So maybe that's why the lid is so high, so that you fill it can go above that.
Great for kids, not like we would know. I feel like I didn't do a good job mixing it. But I feel like it worked faster the last time, did it not?
Maybe we need to put it back in the freezer for a little bit because it's like, it's kind of wet. It's not as cold as it used to be. Maybe we need to like let it freeze.
No, I can't stay here until it freezes.
I mean, this is still iced. Oh, wait. Something's happening. Something is wrong here. Okay, hold on. Don't squeeze it while I have the lid off of it. It is getting thicker.
Okay.
Oh, it is getting thicker. Okay. Well,
Okay, well,
maybe we should just try it. Definitely. Okay, it is forming ice crystals now, and it's stuck to the side. So
I feel like it's.
I think that the hack here is really using gelatin because it helps keep it smooth and like creamy. Like there is some iciness there, but it's not like water icy. It's like
it's good.
Yeah, and it's definitely it's coming off the sides now, so it definitely is freezing.
I think the key also is to kind of maybe use a whisk. The Jell-O is just kind of not properly and evenly dispersed because I didn't have the proper thing to stir it, but it's still really good.
Yeah.
So 1/4 of one of these packages is 5 grams of net carbs. Not the cleanest thing, but whatever. We eat this kind of stuff once in a while. That is really good though. It tastes good.
Yeah, I actually like the Element one too. Like refreshing. This would be really refreshing. This is more like a dessert you have maybe like after dinner. This is something that you could just have with you. It's a refreshing summer drink. If you guys see any other gadgets that you would like us to try, let us know in the comment section below. We're always looking everywhere pretty much, different things that we can implement on our channel, because sometimes when you're on keto you feel left out, and we want to show you guys that you can use these in a ketogenic way. If you guys want to see the other video where we made a strawberry frosty, it was super delicious, you can click on the video on the screen and we'll see you over there. Anyway, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Emily.
And we are the Keto Twins signing out. Save some for me.
No.